Alrighty, it's done. As you can see, she turned out pretty good. She didn't fail. She did not fail. So, there we go, for all his glory. So in comparison to Skull, if you really want to get crazy, you gotta film it. She's pretty good size. Here's a 28-ounce squirt bottle comparison. So as you can see, she's a good size. She's a good size. Turned out real nice. So full face mask. Now what's left is to print the lid. So we'll print a different lid. I designed a lid for this. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the follows and the likes on this, but she's finally done after how many days? Finally done. Finally.